Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I'm art antique restorer and artist too. This video, what I will do now, is about applying the gesso on actually the framing and stretching the canvas, what I did. Already I have that on the table, and as you can see, this is the gesso, what we will use to apply actually on our linen we prepared. Alright, simple, very simple to do it. If you are doing that first time, don't worry, don't be nervous, just do it. Right, we do like this, like this, okay. Well, just try to cover everything equally. I have a brush what is a little bit rough because my next painting is looking for the rough texture and it's just very good for me. Alright. Okay. Going nicely and smooth. Just spread it equally all around. When gesso is dry, you can always, if it's too rough, you can sand it and make it smooth as much as you need. Right. As you see, nearly finished. Good. Right. Going vertical like this. Okay. As you see, just smooth it up. If it's somewhere too much, like this. Look that all corners are covered with enough gesso. Right. And look to me, pretty good, pretty good. And this is just first part of your painting. This was all for the framing and stretching your linen and actually applying a gesso. And when dries, you're ready happily to start with your artwork. Thank you for following. Bye bye.